If for some reason you have lost the tension of your spring, there is a way to retension it. If we take a close look at the back of the spring, you will see a little imprinted arrow right here. That points the direction you should retension your spring to. You can use a piece of square rod, just like that, twist it to be easier. You can slide it in, hold that tight, and follow the arrow direction. If you don't feel any resistance at this point, that means that your spring has been broken. Unfortunately, you have to replace it. So now, if you feel the resistance, keep going. You should be able to make around between 10 and 12 full revolutions. When you can't go any longer, I even hear a little click. Don't force it. Now take a look at the little dots here and go one full revolution back until you align one of the dots with the key slot here. The pin itself, it's kind of a squared foot, but it has little printed dots on both of the sides. They align with this opening here. So you insert the key and your spring is retentioned.